Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Now Open series. I'm Nate Went, Tourism and Sales Coordinator for the St. Charles Business Alliance. Also joined here is our Tourism and Sales Manager, Laura Purdy.
Hi, everyone.
We're going to have a great episode that's full of style for you guys, as we're going to be learning about 2B Beauty Co. right here in downtown St. Charles. So we have the co-owners here, Brie, Bosch, and we have Taylor Berry as well to talk about 2B Beauty Company. So good to see you guys. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Hey.
Awesome. Well, we're excited to have you guys get to learn more about the business. But first, let's learn a little bit about you guys. So let's start with, what brought you guys to St. Charles? How long have you been in the area? What are your favorite things to do? So Bree, we'll start off with you.
Okay. Yeah, so I've kind of grew up around St. Charles my whole life. I'm very familiar with the area. We've been in business in this location currently for a month now. So
Congratulations.
Thank you. And yeah, I love St. Charles. Like I said, I've grown up here. The community is amazing. Lots of great people. I think I favor like all the events, Scarecrow Fest, the winter, all that kind of festivals and stuff like that. I love coming together as a community and just getting to mingle and meet people that way. So.
Yeah, absolutely. So Taylor, how about you?
So I've been in the area since I was 17 years old. I raised 4 of my kids there. We're now residents of Glen Ellen, but I've actually started my business there in St. Charles for 13 years. And I worked in a cute little shop in downtown St. Charles in Century Corners when I was 17 for a few years. So I've really got to know a lot of the business owners and all the locals, and it's been fun. I just love St. Charles and its quaintness and its charm. It's just everything about it. It's awesome.
Yeah, we love to hear that, people that have been here for a while, you guys are, keeping those roots going, staying here. So that's music to our ears, continue to hear that legacy going. So, what made you guys want to open up, a beauty salon here in St. Charles?
So we're really more of like a modern spa. So we focus on brows, skin, and lashes. So we don't do hair, nails, or anything like that, but our main focus are those 3 points. We do full service waxing, specialized skincare, things like that. And the reason we chose St. Charles is because Brie's roots are here. I have a client base of 13 years in this town, and so it just made sense for us to be in St. Charles.
Yeah, absolutely. Brie, anything you'd like to add on to that?
Yeah, I think, St. Charles was definitely the route for us to go. There's lots of businesses that have been here for years. But what I've noticed that's different about, the neighboring cities is that St. Charles continues to be on the come up. Businesses that have been here for years, but also new ones, and all kind of like collaborating together. It's really awesome to see.
Perfect.
Very nice.
Sorry, Laura, were you going to say something?
Oh, I was just going to say, like, brows and lashes are so popular right now. And I mean, I commend you for opening up this business right downtown. I know you guys are going to do well. So tell us a little bit about the services, besides just that you do brow, like get us a little nitty gritty about what you do.
Yeah. Do you want me to go ahead, Taylor?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, so pretty much anything you can imagine, brows, lashes, skin is what we're doing. We're very, we have a lot of our traditional services like brow waxing, facial waxing, tinting, stuff that everybody's known and loved for years. But we're also very on trend, and we try to keep up with that as much as possible. So now we're talking brow laminations, hybrid tinting, lash lifts, you name it.
Okay, wait a minute. What's a brow lamination?
So it's similar. So I'm sure you've heard of a lash lift before. Are you familiar? It's like a lash perm. So similar process that we do on the brows, but instead of a curling action, we're straightening the hairs. So it's going to give you that really model-esque, like I like to call it the Gigi Hadid eyebrow. It's gorgeous. It gives you a really full, just natural, fluffy looking eyebrow. So it's been super popular. It's one of my favorites.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. And then obviously you do facials and what else with the skin?
Yeah. So I offer an array of facials, and also on the other hand, Taylor does a lot of body waxing as well. So I do classic facials. That's always a popular one. Dermaplaning, chemical peels. I'm recently bringing on a new skincare line called DMK. So we are super excited to work with them. They have amazing results, lots of skin revision happening with them. So like I said, always trying to keep up with the latest trends and, give the best to our clients.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
All right.
So, and yeah, let's, continue on with some of the nit grits. So can you guys start with your hours, your location? And I think let's just do those for now.
Sure. So we're open Tuesday through Saturday. We even have into the evening hours for our career women or men that need to come after 5 o'clock. So we're open typically from like 9 a.m. until about 9 p.m. Tuesday through Friday typically. And then Saturdays we're there sometimes a shorter day, but we typically are open and kind of flexible because we both kind of work our hours very differently sometimes. So but we're there, 5-6 days a week, and we are located at 217 West Main Street in St. Charles, kind of across from Alley 64. And so, yeah, we're right on Route 64.
Okay.
Nice.
Perfect. And are you so? And people need an appointment in advance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say for the most part, we've had some questions about walk-ins, and that's something that we'll probably visit in the future. But yeah, we're pretty available. We always tell people we have an online booking system that we use. However, we do it old school too. You can, give us a call, and I always tell people if you're not seeing something online, feel free to give us a call. Chances are good we'll be able to squeeze you in somewhere.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Okay. So do you guys have anything you'd like to promote, like any upcoming deals, specials, events, or anything going like that?
Yeah, we are actually having an open house on February 26th. It's going to happen from 5 to 8 p.m. There will be hors d'oeuvres, mingling, a really good chance for, our clients and friends and family, but also people who have never, met us or seen this space before to come in and get a feel for it, check it out, and ask us any questions. I know sometimes, with social media and everything and just asking questions on the phone, it's hard to get a real grasp for, somebody's goals. So that's a really good opportunity to come in and, chat with us.
Yeah, absolutely. No, awesome. So everyone mark your calendars for that. Come stop in, come see the space that these guys have built, because it looks really nice. Like, you guys have done such a great job with it, both outside and inside. So super excited about that.
Thank you.
Yep.
So, as you kind of talked about with the website and calling you, what are the best ways that people can stay updated on what you guys are up to?
So I think that would be like following us on Instagram for the latest. We usually post all kinds of things on there, and Facebook. And then if you need to contact us, our cell phone number is our main line there, and it's 630-549-9950. You can give us a call. And like I said, Instagram at 2B Beauty Co. is our best way to keep updated.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you guys would like to promote or anything like that?
I guess I just want to say we are so excited to be in St. Charles, this amazing town, and we can't wait to continue seeing all of our longtime clients, but as well as new people as well. We just want to help make everybody feel and look their most beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, I look forward to February 26th from 5 to 8, right? I'll definitely stop by. And
Yes,
anyone who's listening to this, feel free to stop by and check out the new digs in downtown St. Charles. So thanks.
Thank you. And then one other thing I just wanted to add in, we are looking for, to expand our team, we are looking for a lash extension artist. So if there's somebody out there that is interested in joining our team, we would love to have them send their resume or pop in and get to know us and kind of learn a little bit more about us. So
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll help get the word out about that. You can, feel free to contact you guys, and we'll also put that up on our website. We have a whole job listing on there, so you can find the information on there. So otherwise, that'll wrap up the video here. Brie, I know that you got to say something to the St. Charles community, but Taylor, anything that you would like to say to the St. Charles community before we wrap up here?
Again, we are just so lucky to be there. I absolutely love getting to meet new women. I feel like it's just been the coolest thing. There's so many cool people, and I look forward to meeting more and new clients. So that's about it.
Awesome. Well, it's been a true pleasure to have you guys. We're excited to have you here in downtown St. Charles. Can't wait to see, your future going forward. So with that, that'll wrap up our Now Open series video here. We'll have more coming down the road. So until then, everyone, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you all next time.